Okay, so if your arrival, you'll be coming out from one of these doors, and then you'll be going out to the center, and then you come out. So first thing to do is actually go to the right side, where you can actually get the Myki card.
Okay, here's how you top up the card. So you take the Myki card. You can actually buy the Myki card here, or you can actually top up. It's the money, not the pass. So you put in the card here, then you press top up. It actually show you the amount. Then you can say pay by credit card or pay by cash, and that's how you top up. Very simple. So let's go back. You can see this is the uh, Myki amount. Then you tell you the status. It's the tab one. So you go to tab one.
Okay, so today I'm presenting how to get the Myki card, which is the basically EasyLink card, and from there make your way to use the public transport, which is the bus from the airport. You don't have a train to the airport here, so just take the bus. Instead of taking Uber, which is more expensive, taking the SkyBus, which is also expensive at $25 to the city. So the best way is to take the public transport, the public bus, to the city or to the train. From there, you can go to the city or any of the suburbs, wherever your hotel is or your home. Okay, so let's go. Here's Vodafone. So you're going to buy a SIM card, you can just come by. So here's the Uber waiting area. This one is the SkyBus. You can buy your tickets here. You can see the prices. Okay, so if you talk about Melbourne City, it's actually $25.90. Okay. So there's no cash payment. You need to pay by credit card. So we can actually exit the terminal. Okay, we are at Terminal 2. After this is now we are at Terminal 3. Yes, it's very small. Okay, so those are the Sky buses. SkyBus. So they are the express service to the city. Okay, so this bus is to Melbourne City Express. $25.90 one way. If you're a senior, it'll be at $20. There's a return if you want, but really not worth it. I'd rather take the public transport. So we're still at Terminal 3. We just carry on walking. Okay, we've just coming to Terminal 4 now. So you can see Terminal 3 is just a short walk. It's already Terminal 3. Now it's Terminal 4. Okay, we come to the end of Terminal 4, and we are now at the, well, taxi, buses and car park area. Okay, so just carry on walking straight. There's a coffee shop here, as in cafe. Okay, if you need your coffee, you can just take a grab over here. That's where some of the car pickups and also the taxis are here. But we are not going for the taxi, we're going for the public transport. So which is the bus. And then of course there's the toilets is here. Just right in front, there's a toilet. So before you board the bus, you may want to go for the toilet. So it's all the way to the end. We'll be taking bus number 901. So it's those buses over the end. So what we do is we take this bus and we go all the way to the Broadmeadows Station. And from there, you take the train, and basically you're in the network already. So you need to take your Myki card. And you can just board from the front or the back, doesn't matter. Just remember to tap on your card. Okay, so you just board the bus. There's no luggage space, so you need to tap on and board the bus. Okay, so you have a huge luggage. You may want to take the front. Okay.
Okay, another interesting thing is that there's the USB-A power point here. You can basically plug in your USB cable and charge your phone. Yeah, it's on top. So your wire will dangle down and then you plug in to charge your phone. You can actually go up north. If you go up north, you'll be actually taking the Crackieburn up north. If not, you go downtown, will be actually the Flinders Street. So you will go down to Flinders Street, and then from there, it's basically right inside the CBD area, Melbourne Central CBD area. So if you go that side, you'll be going up north. That's the platform 2. This is platform 2. And over the other side will be platform 1. You have to go underpass to go across to platform 1. Platform 1 is actually just opposite. That's platform 1, and just wait for your train and go down to Flinders Street Station. So I'm going to Flinders Street, and it's, oh my gosh, it's half an hour later. Okay, so you have to walk down. You don't go to the end one, you go to this one. This is to the city. That is actually V line. Basically, you can even go to Sydney. But it's only a few trains only. You can see? It's just a few trains. Okay. So for this, we are going to Crackieburn. Oh no, we're going to Flinders Street. And the train station doesn't have a gate. Not in these suburbs type. They just walk in. You're supposed to just tap in using your Myki card and just tap. Okay. Oh great, it's just 3 minutes to wait. Flinders Street is coming. Train is coming.
you witness or experience unwanted or antisocial behaviour on public transport, text topic on 499 455 455. Take care. Thank you for travelling with us.